What's up guys, Joey here, Tech, and here I have the Infinix S5 Pro. It's one of their entry-level releases from this year. It has an eye-catching design, a MediaTek Helio P35 chipset, and something I haven't seen in a while, a pop-up selfie camera. Let's check it out. Taking the lid off the box, we're first greeted by the S5 Pro itself, and this is what it looks like. Below that, you get your customer service cards. Then in the smaller black box, you get a SIM ejector tool, some more paperwork, a free screen protector, and a free clear case. Below that, we get a pair of 3.5mm earphones, the micro USB cable, and the 10-watt charging brick. Now back to the S5 Pro, it's a sleek-looking, solid-feeling device. We have it in forest green here, but these other colors are also available. Checking out each side, starting with the front, we have a 6.53-inch IPS display with a resolution 2340 by 1080. Nice to see a 1080p display here, as most entry-level phones nowadays usually only come with 720p. No notch, no punch hole here, as the front camera is a blast from 2018 to 2019, which is a 16-megapixel pop-up camera. Moving to the back, you get a triple rear camera setup consisting of a 48-megapixel main sensor, a 2-megapixel depth sensor, and a QVGA low-light sensor, which is an interesting setup that's sure to provide you excellent photos. Also found here at the back is a capacitive fingerprint scanner. Checking out the left side, we have the card slot that can accommodate 2 nano SIM cards and 1 micro SD card. On the right side, we have the volume rocker and power button. At the bottom, we have the loudspeaker, micro USB port, main microphone, and a 3.5mm headphone jack. And finally, up top, the aforementioned pop-up selfie camera, and tucked away in the top bezel is the speakerphone and a charging indicator in the form of a blue LED. Under the hood, we get a MediaTek Helio P35 chipset with a PowerVR GE8320 GPU, and our unit boasts 6GB of RAM and 128GB internal storage. Don't sleep on that Helio P35, as it'll be able to run whatever game you want at a playable quality. For software, we get Infinix's own XOS on top of Android 10, which is both feature-packed and sleek-looking. And finally, for power, we get a sizable 4000 mAh lithium polymer battery with support for 10-watt charging, which should be enough to get you through a whole day. And that wraps it up for the Infinix S5 Pro. What do you guys think about this phone? Let us know in the comments down below. And if you want to see a full review, be sure to drop a like, subscribe to our channel for more content, hit the bell icon so you don't miss any future uploads, and be sure to visit yugatech.com for the latest tech news and reviews. Again, this has been Joey, and I'll see you guys in the next one.